Hello, welcome to Mr. A's Maths Today. Here's today's maths question. When you're ready, pause the video, give it a go. This is a foundation and higher question worth 2 marks. Today's question is basic probability from a frequency table. This is a frequency table and like the name sounds, it shows you how frequently something happens. So a box contains 20 nails, a table shows the information. One of those nails was 25 millimeters, 8 of those were 30, 5 of those were 50 and so on. Viraj takes at random 1 nail from the box. Find the probability that the length of the nail he takes is less than 35. Okay, so unlike the last probability question, this isn't quite as easy. Less than 35. Notice there are no nails that were 35, but it says less than. So which of these numbers are less than 35? Because these are the millimeters it was measured in. I've got a 25 and a 30. I'm not interested in that or that. Or that, because they are greater than this 35. So basically I want to know how many nails I've got that are less than 35. Number of nails 1 and 8. So 1 was 25, 8 were 30. So in total I've got 9. 9 of my nails were less than 35. So the ones I'm interested in are those 9. The chances of picking from all of those, one that is less than 35 has to be 9. But 9 out of how many? What's the total of these? But the question told me that at the beginning. I could add those up and I should get to this number they told me in the question. So I've got 9 chances out of 20 of picking a nail that is less than 35 millimeters. Hope that makes sense. Here's today's challenge question. When you're ready, pause, give it a go. Don't forget to pop your answers in the comments below. Let others compare. Let's get a bit of a discussion going. And don't forget, a bit of maths a day keeps those bad grades at bay. Bye for now.